In the tumultuous year of 1900, the United Kingdom was experiencing its peak moment in the world power list, securing its position and encompassing entire continents under its control. Despite the lively streets of London pulsating with activity, there was a subtle yet critical change beginning to take shape. There was a visible shift in the atmosphere, where smoke and steam billowed from various industries in the city. While the city itself bustled with anticipation and a sense of excitement, the city masked a rapidly evolving nation that was getting prepared for the entrance of the 20th century. Perhaps 1/5 of the world's population lived under the British flag, extending across continents such as Asia, Africa, Australia, and Canada. England's unwavering trade strength, robust industrial infrastructure, and influential military might maintain stability and unity within the empire, while beneath the surface lay a complex conflict that was both profound and personal. The daily grind for millions of people was harsh, with factories and workplaces demanding long hours and perpetual labor. Poverty, hunger, and disease spread throughout the country like wildfire. Undoubtedly, however, the harsh divide between the rich and the poor was an eye-opening reality, as the wealthy residents of opulent mansions overlooked their lavish homes, while the working class endured hardships struggling to make ends meet. Key issues came to the forefront: empire and power. An intense debate surrounding London's future in distant wars consumed Parliament, as the impact of South African Boer War significantly strengthened and the government, as the number of working people who wanted a voice increased. Reformers and early labor movements made significant efforts to fight for better working conditions, which ultimately laid the foundation for a welfare state, workers' rights, and substantial social transformation that would unfold. United Kingdom found itself at the precipice of change in the year 1900, encompassing a potent empire in full bloom, with an under-pressure society, and a nation prepared for the beginning of the greatest century of transformation in human history. The choices made within these significant and crucial years would establish the trajectory of the following century. In cities like London, the lives of people were full of noise and movement, with steam trains, horse-drawn trams, and typewriters adding an edgy touch to the dawn of a new technological era. Emerging inventions like electricity, telegraphs, machines, and early typewriters were creating a future that was impossible to predict. These groundbreaking technologies helped establish a new future that is still in effect today.